In this video, we will compare Pocketbase versus Appwrite. Pocketbase is a lightweight open source backend solution designed to provide essential services such as real-time database, file storage, all bundled into a small and easy to develop package. It's an excellent choice for developers looking for a simple, no-frills backend solution. For a small to medium-sized application, Pocketbase simplicity is its great strength. It's easy to set up with a clean and intuitive interface and does not require extensive configuration or cloud dependencies. However, this simplicity comes with large trade-offs. While it's a great choice for projects that don't need complex functionality, Pocketbase lacks some of its scalability and the more advanced features like larger platforms have, such as Firebase or Supabase. Additionally, since it's relatively new and still growing, there is fewer resources and community support available to help you on Pocketbase. Additionally, Pocketbase is ideal for developers working on a quick prototype or smaller apps, but you may not need best for long-term choice. Another appealing feature of Pocketbase is its self-hosted nature, which gives developers full control over their data and their infrastructure. This makes it a very attractive option for those who want to avoid vendor lock-in and prefer to manage their own backend without relying on a cloud solution. Its small footprint and easy develop mean it can be run on minimal resources, making it very cost-effective and smaller option for smaller projects or independent developers. However, Pocketbase does not offer the same level of enterprise-grade features. Additionally, while the platform offers some useful integration and built with simplicity in mind, the developers can find themselves very limited if they require more advanced features such as multi-region support or complex data analytics. In summary, Pocketbase is an excellent choice for lightweight self-hosted applications. Appwrite is an open source backend as a service platform that provides a solid solution for tools on building and managing website and mobile applications. It includes features such as real-time databases, file storage, serverless functions, and all bundled together in an easy-to-use package. One of the standout aspects of Appwrite is its focus on providing and self-hosting options. These allow developers to have a complete control over their infrastructure and data privacy. Additionally, its well-documented API and extensive SDK support makes it relatively straightforward to integrate into projects. However, despite this, Appwrite is still a young platform, and while it continues to improve day over day, some users have noted that it can lack scalability and the sustainability of more established BAS solutions such as Firebase or Supabase. There has also been reports of occasional bugs or missing features that can hinder its development. Another appealing aspect of Appwrite is its community-driven approach, which allows developers to contribute and shape the platform's future. This open source model fosters a sense of collaboration and community, giving it flexibility to modify the platform to suit their specific needs. Overall, Appwrite is a promising open source solution for many developers who want to control over their backend, but it may not be as polished as other features or other alternatives such as Firebase, Supabase or Pocketbase.